Capricorn, hope you're doing well. Thank you for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. In today's reading, let's take a look at your romantic love life for the week of May 2024. Tingnan natin ang romantic intention ng inyong new person that you're currently dealing with, or a returning person sa buhay mo. Let's see what's happening or what will happen this week. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Thank you, Capricorn. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Romantic energies for Capricorns. Self-love. I'm still trying to heal. Self-love. I am still trying to heal. Okay? So, nagpapagaling kayo ngayon, Capricorn, ng inyong puso. Napagod kayo, umalis kayo, iniwanan ninyo ang partner or ang inyong relationship. Okay? Marami ka ng pinagdaanan siguro ng mga difficulties. You cannot handle him or her anymore. And parang kailangan, you feel na kailangan mong pagtuunan ng pansin ngayon ang sarili mo. Okay? So, ginagawa mo ang lahat ngayon for you to heal. Malagpasan mo yung heartbreak na nararanasan ninyo ngayon. Okay? Self-love. Escape. I left when things got hard. Okay, so definitely pwedeng umalis na lang kayo, no? And you don't want confrontation anymore. Parang hindi ka na nagsabi or hindi mo na-express yung difficulties na naramdaman mo. Okay? Yung pagtitiis mo sa partner mo. Okay? So, hindi mo na kayanan and you feel na kailangan mo ng oras para makapag-isip ka. That's why you left. Okay? Hindi mo na nasabi kung ano yung gusto mong gawin sa partner mo. Kung ano man yung ayaw mo. Okay? Kung bakit ka nasaktan. Kasi there are people na ganun, hindi ganun ka-expressive. So, ang tendency is hindi na muna magpakita or aalis na lang sa situation, hindi magpaparamdam. Okay? So, for some of you, ito yung nangyayari. Commitment. I want you to be a part of my future. Okay? So, definitely, there is true love. Okay? Totoong pagmamahal. You really care for your partner or sa taong mahal mo. Okay? Him or her, gusto mong maging parte siya ng buhay mo. Kaya siguro nasaktan ka talaga. Okay? Maybe gusto mo pa i-preserve kung anong kahit papano yung friendship na matitira. Okay? That's why umalis ka na lang because you don't want confrontation. Because mahal mo yung taong ito. That's how you felt. Or that's how you feel. Okay? Siguro nasa seryosong relationship ka na. And yung taong to, parang ito na yun eh. Parang pwedeng great love mo to or true love mo to na nasabi mo na siya na. But then, maybe some things happened. Okay? May na-discover ka. Okay? May na-discover ka na hindi maganda. Pwedeng sa ugali. Meron hindi kayong pagkakaintindihan. You didn't see each other eye to eye. Hindi nag-match yung prinsipyo mo at prinsipyo niya. Magkaiba kayo ng panindigan or tingin sa isang bagay or sa isang sitwasyon. And with that, nagkaroon kayo ng sama ng loob, okay? Hindi kayo nagkaintindihan and you just left. Okay? But still, you love this person. Syempre, hindi naman basta-basta nawawala yon. You care for this person, Capricorn. Chemistry. I have never felt a passion this intense. Okay, so definitely maybe maganda ang chemistry ninyo physically, okay? Sexually or sensually, maganda yung chemistry ninyo. There is fire. Okay, but then in that aspect, okay, pero may mga bagay din na kailangang tingnan and siguro hindi kayo magkasundo sa ibang bagay. But you know that the chemistry between you is undeniable. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages. Okay. Love energies for Capricorn. So, bottom of the deck, ito yung overall energy. 8 of Pentacles. Okay. So, pinag-iisipan mo ngayon yung mga bagay, yung mga nangyari sa inyo, Capricorn, sa situation nyo, sa relationship ninyo, kung anong nangyari. Tinitingnan mo kung saan nagka-problema, ano yung problema, at kung paano ito masolusyonan. Your person wants a new beginning, okay? With you. Okay. Maganda yung intention niya. Gusto niya na i-provide kung ano yung mga pangangailangan ninyong dalawa. He cares for you, definitely. Gusto niya ng commitment sa inyo, Capricorn. Okay? Siguro siya, napuno lang din siya sa'yo din, Capricorn, okay? Dahil marami rin siyang mga responsibilidad, marami siyang ginagawa. And yet, pagdating sa relationship ninyo, parang dagdag burden or problema, siguro dahil hindi kayo magkaintindihan. Maaring hindi mo siya naintindihan sa work niya. Okay? Hindi ka na nabibigyan ng pansin. But you know, this person wants a commitment with you, Capricorn, okay? Gusto niya ibigay yung mga pangangailangan mo. Maybe you just don't see it, pero you know, he's giving you the attention or the kindness that you want, but then for you, it's not enough. Baka may mga iba ka pang gustong gawin niya, okay? May ina-expect ka pa, you are hoping for something, maybe to give his best or her best. Okay? But you know, this person wants to provide you, okay? Wants to be a provider. Gusto niya i-provide kung ano yung mga pangangailangan mo financially. He or she is okay. Okay? Yeah. He wants to be together with you again. Okay? Gusto niya mag-usap kayo, magkita pa kayo. Yun yung pinapakita niya. Okay? It's like, siguro kung hindi niya man nasasabi sa inyo ng diretsyo, pero nagpaparamdam siya sa inyo na gusto niya makipagkita, gusto niya makipag-usap sa inyo, okay? Gusto niyang pag-usapan kung ano ang naging problema. Okay? This person is for you. It's like he is everything. Okay? That's why gusto mo nga din na siya na yung maging gusto mo na siya na yung maging future mo, okay? Maging partner mo na pang long term. You want to commit to him or her. It's just that, the challenge is you need to forgive. Okay? Kailangan pag-usapan kung ano yung mga dapat pag-usapan, ayusin, klaruhin, okay? Because both of you, gusto nyo rin talaga yung isa't isa, gusto nyo malampasan at mabigyan ng solusyon kung ano yung problema nyo. So, kailangan nyo lang din talaga siguro mag-usap, magkita, okay? There will be commitment na mangyayari in marriage. Okay? Kung magkakaintindihan lang kayo. Siguro for some of you, nasaktan lang kayo sa nangyari. Okay? Kayo lang nakakaalam kung ano yung rason kung bakit nasaktan ka or bakit ka umalis. Okay? Maybe kulang pa or hindi kulang pa yung attention na binibigay sa inyo. Kulang pa yung love and care na pinapakita sa inyo. Pwedeng ganun yung rason. But definitely, both of you wants commitment. Okay? You want to overcome yung mga challenges, yung problema nyo. Okay? Kung ano yung pinag-awayan ninyo, gusto niyang pag-usapan yun. Yun yung gusto niyang sabihin sa inyo. But then, siguro maybe hindi ka na makontak, hindi ka sumasagot sa kanya. But, he wants to win you again. Okay? And you also, ikaw din. Okay? Gusto mong gumawa siya ng paraan. Okay, so Capricorn, it's up to you, Capricorn. Kasi magandang intention sa'yo ng person mo. He or she may be an earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, and Taurus. Okay? For some of you, he is an Aquarius. Okay? Maybe you have Taurus or earth sign in your moon and yung moon sign ng partner mo is Taurus. Okay, Capricorn? Let's see, ano pa yung mga messages for you? Okay, sa ngayon nag-iisip ka pa, okay, nag-heal sa mga nangyari, hindi magandang nangyari. Siguro nasaktan ka talaga, may ginawa yung partners mo sa inyo na parang yun yung nag-trigger na kailangan mo ng time alone, kailangan mo lumayo-layo, okay? And maybe this person hindi talaga fully aware kung anong nangyayari, kung bakit ka nagkaganyan. Capricorn. More message for Capricorn, please. You speak to me through music. Okay. I regret lying to you. Okay. Merong pagsisinungaling na nangyari. So, okay. For some of you, hindi mo siya nakakausap, hindi kayo nakikita. Okay? But through music, naalala mo siya. Siguro may mga naririnig ka music na parang nakaka-relate ka. Songs, okay? You or them. I lost myself for a little while. Okay. So, it's part of self-love. Baka kailangan mo yun siguro, Capricorn. Nung wala ka, siguro matindi din yung tama sa kanya nung nawala ka. Okay? Gusto niya makipag-usap sa'yo, makipagkita sa'yo, but, baka hindi ka na sumasagot sa tawag niya or sa text. Tina-turn off mo yung phone. So, again, it's up to you. Maybe baka siya to, okay? It's the other way around. I know I was a distraction from your pain. Okay? Your partner is feel sorry sa ginawa niya sa inyo. I'm so attracted to you. But then, he or she is still attracted to you, Capricorn. Okay? Chemistry. I have never felt a passion this intense. So, matindi yung chemistry ninyong dalawa. Very attracted sa'yo yung partner mo or this person. Okay? Your person. So, Capricorn, bigyan mo ng oras, okay? Siguro pag-isipan mo ng mabuti, ng maayos. Siguro naging kayo din ng taong to, ng person mo for a long time. Okay? And sayang naman kung hindi na pag-usapan, baka pwede pang ma-solve. Okay? Both of you wants commitment, okay? And gusto mo ma-overcome, okay, magawan ng paraan ng partner mo kung ano man yung naging problema. That's what you want. For you, he is everything, but then may nangyari, okay, na hindi mo nagustuhan, kaya ka umalis. Merong pagsisinungaling na nangyari. Maybe merong misunderstanding, Capricorn. Okay? So that's it. Yun lang yung message sa inyo, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye!